Welcome friends, a very important announcement for those who are writing November 2024 exams, CA final. We at Vidyapith Academy Coimbatore will be commencing your lectures by the end of May 2024, starting with FR and AFM classes. For the very first time, based on students' demand, we'll be having your FR and AFM in the morning and evening classes. In between, students will be working out more and more questions so that they are more confident for appearing in exams. Then we'll be starting your audit, DT and IDT classes, which will be full day lectures, and we'll be discussing a lot of exam oriented concepts and working out exam oriented questions. And the entire syllabus of all the 5 subjects will be done before September 2024, 15th of September 2024, which will give students a good amount of 1.5 months or more for you to revise and crack the exams in November 2024 itself. Share with your friends. Stay tuned.